we have this year Dubai Police Academy B team, as well as the Dubai B team, the Dubai Police B team, who are, of course, the current champions of this event. They lifted the crown last year. As we see the Special Forces Unit Börü of Kyrgyzstan go out. We had their commander, team leader, here in the studio a little bit earlier on. But yes, the B team of Dubai Police go out 89th in the draw. By the way, UAESWATchallenge.com is the website. If you want to keep track of where your team is, your country, whoever you're supporting. We've got another Royal Thai Police team to go out as well just before that. That's another big bang, like a bazooka, rattling the windows of my commentary box from the Special Forces Unit of Kyrgyzstan. Taking out the targets and the whole of that grassy knoll behind it. Four targets each in the pistol pen. These are specifically assigned. You can't help out a colleague. Got your own 12 rounds. More teams to go from Kazakhstan as well. Are they going to beat the 2-minute mark? No is the answer, because there still are assaulters out there on the course who are just making their way for home now. A sprint to the finish. This is not easy with all that equipment. 2:13.4 for the Special Forces Unit Börü of